Okay. All right, here goes Eric and Cheryl. They are going to be... They're going to be the guinea pigs. Oh, yeah! Woo! Oh! Didn't quite make it. Thought they were going to make it when they hit that.
Found the other loose spot.
All right.
Yeah, that's 'cause there's a big...
More repairs now. I'll pause again. Hold on.
Digging a hole.
Yeah, digging a hole up here in the front.
Why did he back off?
Because he's got a hole there, but...
Four-wheel drive. Go to the right. Go right. Mike. Dorn.
He's got a big hole there.
Right.
So close.
So close.
So close. So close.
Oh, way up.
I know. Yes! Woo!
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Michael Connor is going to try it now on the Pathfinder. He shouldn't have too much trouble. I have moved further up on the hill, in fact, so that, just in case. Not sure what he's doing. I thought he was going to get started now. Here he comes. Oh, at the last minute, somebody decides to cross the road. Oh, no problem. Woohoo! All right, we got Mike Dorn coming now, crazy man. Woo! No problem. All right, here comes. Look out for the rally car. Oh my God. Woohoo! Go Saab! Oh yeah. No problem.